I'm Dr. Jerry Thrush. I'm the Associate Dean, Preclinical Education at Western University of Health Sciences within the College of Osteopathic Medicine of the Pacific.
My name is Mark Spiker. I'm the Associate Dean for Academic Affairs at Midwestern University, Arizona College of Osteopathic Medicine.
Hi, I'm Sharon Hjord. I'm with Upstate Medical University in Syracuse, New York.
I'm Dr. Athena Ganchora. I'm the Director of the Office of Student Development and Academic Resources and Services for the University of Arizona College of Medicine in Tucson.
Kaplan has helped solve the problem of student preparation for board exams. By having access to the Kaplan products, our students have been able to be better prepared for the licensing exams that they take throughout their medical education.
Kaplan Medical products helped us solve the problem of our students who were really struggling as we tried to assist them with their preparation for the Complex Level 1 and the USMLE Step 1.
What Kaplan Medical has provided is an opportunity to help students to see different types of resources to match their individual learning styles.
The usage of the Kaplan products have been helpful and a factor in allowing our students to perform better on the board exams.
We've seen our students be successful on shelf exams and get through their boards. We've seen students who have reached for a certain step score and been able to achieve that through their work with Kaplan.
We've seen results with Kaplan Medical through students being able to self-identify strengths and weaknesses. By their QBank scores, they're able to follow their progress, track how they're doing, and they become more accountable and self-directed in their learning.
Kaplan gives us tools to better help our students. They give us information that we need to track where our students as a group are doing poorly or doing well, and they give us individual learning tools.
It's impacted our students' confidence and self-efficacy studying for the board exam. And now it's had impact in terms of the curriculum and how we use Kaplan as a way to identify content that's associated with Step 1 and our curriculum.
Kaplan is one of the most unique companies as far as ease of working with them. Their representatives are available 24/7. Our local representative comes on campus, works with students.
Kaplan's been so easy to work with. You're one of our favorite learning partners. You always take as good a care of our students as we take of them, and that's really what we're looking for.
Kaplan has been very easy to work with. Like I had said earlier, they're an excellent partner for us at Upstate Medical University. Anything that we have needed, we've been able to just call our representative.
I would definitely recommend Kaplan to anybody who is looking for, an outside resource with 24/7 support.
I feel comfortable being able to share with students, this is a great product and it's research-based. I feel confident about the work that goes into it. The questions are high quality and the students recognize, okay, this is a high quality product and it's worth my time and effort.
I would like to especially thank Kaplan for listening. They listen to our students when our students call with questions or suggestions, and they listen to us as administrators and as faculty members about how we could better use the product to help our students.